Hi everyone, today I came to visit one outlet called Mahindra NX. This comes in a street called AS Charles Street, which comes nearby Chickpet Metro Station, which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes in a complex called Mavi Complex in ground floor, so you can just check. This is a complex, Mavi Complex. The landmark is this bridge. This is a massive road bridge near AS Charles Street. So near this bridge, this complex is there. In this complex, you have to go in ground floor. So you have to get inside this complex. You have to go in dead end. Once you come here, you can just check here. His outlet is a Mahindra NX exclusive wholesale outlet. This is the outlet. You can just have a look. This is an exclusive wholesale outlet of track pant, t-shirt, shirt, cotton pant, jackets. Total wholesale outlet. Minimum 10,000. Single piece retail is not there. This is one more section. You can just check where entire stock is there. Even if you want in bulk, 100 piece, 500 piece, 1000 piece. That also you can get. This is one more section where entire stock is there. You can just check. Get here for men's, exclusive men's wholesale outlet. Any more detail, number is on video screen. You can contact them. They'll send you all the details. Right now I'm introducing you to Sonu, and here his name is Heath on the left hand side. So he's the owner's son. Whenever you come, you can meet him. Hi Sonu, welcome to the show. Tell me something about your studio. What and all you'll get here?
So we have t-shirts, track pant, cargos, night pant, jeans, t-shirts, and much more varieties in men's wear. Completely.
Total wholesale.
Completely wholesale.
Minimum how much they have to buy online, offline?
Minimum of 25 pieces or 10,000 worth goods.
Single piece retail is not there.
Single piece retail is not allowed, and we don't give and we don't entertain.
And what is the timing?
Our timings is from 10 AM to 7 PM from Monday to Saturday, and Sundays we are on off.
Okay.
We don't open on the Sundays.
Okay. How many years over for business?
We have more than 30 years in this business.
And right now I'm going to show you some sample of the t-shirt. So in t-shirt, what is the starting price, Heath?
So starting price is from rupees 100.
Okay.
And it goes till 300, sir.
Okay. What size to what size we'll get?
Sir, we are having from ML XL, XXL, 3XL, 4XL we are having.
Okay.
And 5XL, 6XL we are only bringing on order, sir.
And how much collections of t-shirt you are having? 100 varieties?
Sir, 200 varieties is available.
Okay.
Sir, down shoulder trendy, back print.
Okay.
You get anytime, sir.
What and all fabric will get in t-shirts?
Sir, Valentino, sir, Lycra, cotton Lycra, all variety it will get, sir. With collar, print, back print.
And in one t-shirt, in one print, how many colors will get?
Sir, we are having several prints, several colors in one box.
Okay.
All different packets, different varieties.
Okay.
See there.
And this collection keeps getting changed in how
Sir,
many days?
Every week new collections, every day new varieties.
Okay,
So,
cool.
This is the pack.
Okay.
The t-shirts.
Okay.
As we told, 10 colors.
Okay.
So this is how we'll get one size but 10 colors.
Okay,
Sir,
so
but,
they have to
I
buy
have
entire
shown
box.
I have shown the sample.
Okay.
That is different color, different pattern.
Okay.
This is different color, inside different pattern.
Okay, cool. Okay.
All varieties, different colors, different patterns.
Okay. He is Mr. Surinder Jain. He is the owner of this place. Sir, क्या दिखाओगे सर? ट्रैक पैंट में क्या?
ट्रैक पैंट शॉर्ट्स बताता हूँ मैं आपको।
अच्छा, क्या साइज से क्या साइज मिलेगा?
M, L, XL, 2 से 3 से 4 से तक मिलेगा।
फ्रंट बैक दिखा दीजिए सर।
हाँ सर।
स्टार्टिंग प्राइस क्या है सर अपने पास सबसे सस्ता वाला?
115 रुपए से स्टार्टिंग है।
115 इज द स्टार्टिंग प्राइस। और इसमें कितना कलेक्शन मिलेगा सर? 50 100 वैरायटीज? 20 वैरायटीज?
30 40 वैरायटी मिलेगा।
30 40 वैरायटीज यू विल
कॉटन
गेट।
लाइक्रा,
अच्छा।
4-वे NS लाइक्रा,
ओके।
ट्विल में मिलेगा कपड़ा, डिफरेंट फैब्रिक में मिला पूरा।
क्वालिटी के बारे में क्या बोलना चाहते हैं सर?
क्वालिटी से बच्चा सुपर क्वालिटी आएगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
अच्छा, कलर फेडिंग का भी कोई इशू नहीं है?
कभी कोई भी इशू नहीं आएगा सर। पूरा देखो पैटर्न अलग पैटर्न
बढ़िया है यार ट्रैक पैंट।
4-वे लाइक्रा पूरा।
उसमें क्या क्या फैब्रिक का आएगा सर?
इसमें NS लाइक्रा आएगा, 4-वे लाइक्रा आएगा, कॉटन आएगा, करारा फैब्रिक आएगा।
अच्छा।
पूरा इंपोर्टेड फैब्रिक आएगा पूरा।
किसी को 1000 पीस, 500 पीस, 2000 पीस चाहिए?
रेडी मिलेगा सर क्वांटिटी।
अच्छा, जो श्रीलंका दुबई से भी देख रहा है उसके लिए भी? ओके,
100% सर।
सो दिस आर द उसमें कलेक्शन अपना कब चेंज होता है सर?
हर वीकली, हर 10 डेज में रेगुलर न्यू वैरायटी मिलेगा आपको।
और लास्ट प्राइस क्या है सर ट्रैक पैंट में? लास्ट प्राइस
350।
115 to 350 is the price that you will get in track pant. Okay sir. I mean next you're going to show.
Sir, I am going to show the shorts, sir.
Okay, any starting price?
Sir, starting price is for 85 rupees.
And it goes till?
Goes till sir 200.
200.
Sir,
Okay.
this is Carrara,
Okay.
popcorn fabric.
Size?
Sir, you will get from L to 4XL.
How many colors?
5 colors, sir.
Okay.
So this is 2-way Lycra.
Okay.
This is cotton pant.
Okay.
Cotton shorts.
How much varieties you having? 120?
Sir, 30 varieties I am available, sir.
Okay.
This is 2-way, 4-way.
In this you get plus size also?
4XL tag we are available, sir.
Okay.
5XL, 6XL only on orders.
And this collection updates how many days?
Every weekly.
Every weekly.
Every weekly new varieties, new collections.
And bulk also people can get?
Bulk available.
Okay. Sample of the jeans. So in jeans what is the starting price?
So 247 is the starting range.
Okay.
And it goes up to the way the customer needs and the requirement is there.
Okay.
And sizes are from 28 to 36,
Okay.
38 to 40, 42 to 44, and 46 up to 46 we are having right
Okay.
now.
How much varieties of jeans you having?
So we have every kind of variety. We have baggy jeans,
Okay.
form fit,
Okay.
regular jeans,
Okay.
got comfort,
Okay.
formal pants, cargos, denim
Okay.
cargos,
Okay.
and any different new varieties are there. We are available in the market.
Would you like to show any samples?
Yes, this is our own manufacturing product.
Okay.
So as
Cool.
you can see, this is
Okay.
our own label brand.
Okay.
This is our own manufacturing. You
Okay.
can see this quality,
Okay.
how the zip quality works.
Okay.
So
Starting prices
starting price is 247,
247.
Yes.
And it goes till.
and it keeps going up to 500 to 600 range.
Okay.
And
Plus size also you get.
yes, plus
Okay.
up to 46 we are available.
46. This cargos.
This is a
फिर से दिखाओ. This cargos.
this
Right?
is a baggy.
Nice, yeah. This is starting price is what?
In this again, you'll start with 365.
Okay. And how many colors we'll get?
Each has a 6 to 8 colors depending on the which model they select and which type of variety they select. According to that, we'll get the colors.
Okay. Next.
Next we have is this is Jira Wash, new
Okay.
washing that's going
Okay.
on right now in the
Okay.
market. This is
Okay.
Jira Wash.
Okay.
This is one more, and the fancy tone which
Okay.
running in the
Funky
market.
type.
Yes, funky type.
Okay.
And one more information update is for
Okay.
even the export customers,
Okay.
there are products have made in India label and tagging on them.
Okay. This is a plus size.
This is a plus size.
Okay.
As you can see.
Cool.
This is our own manufacturing.
Simple
product.
jeans. Yeah.
Yes, simple.
Nice. Okay.
Even because apart from fancy, regular wearing people will wear this. So
Yeah,
even
yeah.
we have that.
Okay.
We focus on that.
How many colors we'll get like this?
Again, in this in our own product variety have 40 colors.
Okay.
More than 40 colors at any time cost available. You can just call us and we'll WhatsApp you the details.
Okay.
Only who are genuinely buyers and interest, only will WhatsApp them.
Okay.
This is the cargo variety.
Starting price?
Starting price again 268 will be there. That
Okay.
is jogger.
Okay.
And this is a cargo, so this is again another rate.
Okay.
So you get with rib, without rib also. This is another rate. I'll show you.
How many colors we'll get?
Again same 6 to 8 colors.
Okay.
This is
Very
again
nice.
with rib as I told you. This
Size
is-
what we'll get?
In this we'll get up to 40 from
Okay.
20 from 30 to 36 and 38 40.
Okay. Next.
This is the jeans cargo.
Okay.
What I say.
In this, what is the starting price?
In this again, customer can directly contact us and the contact information which is in the description box on the screen.
Okay.
Yeah, this is
Very nice colors.
fancy. This
Okay.
is cooling color.
Okay. Very nice. This comes with jogger also. Next.
Now I am going to show you formal pants.
Okay. Formal pants starting prices?
Formal pants starting price is 188.
Okay. Would you like to show sample?
Yes.
Size?
Sizes again from 30 to 36, 38, 40 because the highly demanded price size is that's it.
Okay. How many colors we'll get?
Again, you get 8 to 12 colors in this formals.
Okay. Next.
One more. This is one more fabric.
Okay. Very nice.
This is Barbie fabric which
Okay.
is there. This one what I am showing you, this is linen fabric.
Okay. Cool. Next.
The Raymond's fabric.
Nice. Very nice.
Raymond's fabric.
Okay.
Now I'm
Formal
showing you-
pants, right?
Yes.
Cotton
Formal
pants.
Now this is cotton pant.
Okay. Starting price?
Cotton pant again 235.
235. Size?
Sizes again 30 to 36, 38, 40 and
Okay.
bigger sizes also based on the orders we are available.
Okay. Next.
This is the cotton. As
Okay.
you can see. This is
Very
starting
nice.
of the cotton. You
Okay.
can see the stretch even in the cotton. Nobody
Mhm.
gives this kind of stretch. But this
Okay.
there is a stretch in this fabric.
Cool.
Yes. This is again a formal pant showing you.
Okay.
So the fitting, what you're saying is pure fitting.
Okay.
Genuine fitting. There's nothing as such. You can see when the stitching and finishing
Nice.
and quality.
Very nice. Yeah.
So,
Okay.
No compromise. But the one thing is, it's a very affordable prices.
Okay. Nice colors.
I'll show you the chart.
Very nice collection. In this also, if you want in bulk, you can get minimum 10,000. Single piece retail is not there. Right now, what you are going to show?
Sir, I am now going to show the shirt, sir.
Okay. Starting price?
So starting price is 125, sir.
Okay. Size?
Sir, you will get MLXL, sir.
Okay.
All varieties will get MLXL.
Okay.
Different varieties, different patterns. This is popcorn, sir.
How much varieties you having? 20, 30?
Yes, sir. We are getting with the 20, 30 and weekly, every weekly.
Okay.
So, sir, this is satin shirts.
You get plus size also in this?
Yes, sir. 2XL, 3XL, 4XL, 5XL also available, sir.
And how they have to buy? Set wise or they can buy anything?
Anything, but minimum 10,000
Minimum
or
10,000.
100 piece.
Okay. Next.
So this is all the check shirts, sir.
Very nice collections here. So basically, you get everything here for
Everything
men's.
will get.
So,
Okay.
We are full
Right,
family
sir.
shop.
Huh.
If a customer get 1,50,000 rupees in his pocket,
Okay.
when menswear starting from 100 rupees from t-shirts
Okay.
till jeans, from shirts to cotton pants, he'll get a whole family pack like that.
Okay.
He can start his own shop even it's starting from the home or even it's a shop.
Okay.
He just starts to get a 1,50,000 from his pocket.
Okay.
He'll get all the varieties from my shop.
Okay, cool. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections for men's. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collection. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.